Meaning of inexact.
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 Inexact. Inexact means not precise or accurate, with some degree of error or uncertainty. It implies that the result obtained is an approximation or estimation rather than an exact measurement. For example, inexact calculations may be due to limitations in the measuring instruments used or inherent variability in the system being measured. In scientific research, it is important to recognize and quantify sources of inaccuracy to ensure reliable and valid results. Thus, while inexact results may be useful in certain contexts, they should always be interpreted within the context of their uncertainties.